Hello everyone, my name is Ilir. I'm the owner of Freedom Tech, the repair shop in Holland. Today I'm with another tutorial video about the Sony KDL-60w630B. I've kind of had the common issues with this TVs. There is two reasons this one specifically came with 6 blinking lights. There's two reasons that could happen. First, sometimes the actual boards they go out, and the 6 blinking lights can indicate either the main board, the power supply, or the T-con board. Other than that, it would be the backlights. But most common that I've ever seen is that the 6 blinking light also indicates that there is either a shortage on a backlight connection, which means one of the backlights it's off and it kind of needs like a jumper. So in this case, all you need to do is, if you do have it, there's a tester for LED backlights. So what you need to do is test each individual lights, and sometimes the one that it's not turning on, by jumping or by testing, it would actually turn on. In this case, as you can see, my backlights are on. Before it didn't even turn on, but once I started to test, it started working. I mean, here is the first rule about doing this is, I'd say if you leave it to a professional, typically this would be easier, so you don't have to deal with removing the screen and the layers. But if you want to do it yourself, this is going to be the easiest way to fix it. And sometime you might come to find out that one of the backlights is bad, but recommendation is to replace all of them. This is all I got for you, and if this video helps, I'll say a thumbs up. Other ways, look at my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe at my channel. I always bring up videos to help more than actually overselling anything, because it's all part of like to give you an idea so you don't have to spend a lot of money, or sometimes you could be lucky to do it yourself so you don't even have to take it to a technician. So again, if this video works and you like it, please thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to watch other videos from my channel. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching the video.